Hello and welcome to the Agatebay YouTube channel. I'm Joshua from Germany, the owner of the company, and today I have something for you guys, and it's something I don't show a lot. These are agates from Argentina, my own experiences with cutting agates, especially from the San Rafael area, which most agates are referred to as condor agates. Those experiences have not been great in the past, so I try to stay away from cutting most of this material just because of my own experiences with it, but they're fabulous agates from this location as well. I just have not been lucky to cut them from rough stones by myself. So I rather buy good quality pieces where I know how they will turn out to be. However, before I was that smart, I bought these agates, and that was about 10 years ago. And these are also not from the traditional condor agate location, but from a sublocale that is referred to as Sierra Pintada. I don't know what that means, but these agates have these kind of odd, weird shapes, sorry for that, and don't look like the typical nodules. These are the 3 best agates I have from this locale remaining. And I bought these when I was not even 18, so I think I bought these probably about 15 years ago, and I have not cut them since. They were not cheap back in the day, but compared to nowadays prices, they were also not expensive. So now I thought, well, I mean, they're not going to get any better, so why not just go ahead and cut them and see how they will turn out to be. Yeah, this agate is pretty obvious that it can turn out to have some nice banding, and how am I able to tell? By the vast amount of windows it has going in all angles and directions, but that of course makes it almost impossible to place a cut where I don't go through windows. On top of that, I can see that there's a fracture running across here. I can see there's another potential fracture right here, and another diagonally to that going fracture right here. So what I will do is follow this fracture line, and it goes somewhere up to here, and then cut in between this point and in between this fracture line. So place a cut in between here, right next to these 2 windows, once across here, right next to where the fracture came from. Oh my fucking god. What the fuck? Wow. Way better than I thought. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. This agate is unexpectedly so much better than I thought. I was hoping there would be a little bit of the red in the center that's here on this side, but even better. The red turned into purple. Look at this piece! That's insane! I think this really goes into the history of the 10 best agates from Argentina I've ever cut. And it came so unexpectedly. What a piece! I am hyped about the last piece I cut, and I'm of course hoping the other ones will turn out to be even better, but I know condor agates or Argentinian agates from the San Rafael area, they can be misleading. For example, here on this side you're seeing bright yellow and orange, but due to the vast amount of chromatography these Argentinian agates have, they can just change in color so quickly. On this side it's only brown in even darker brown banded, and you have the colors only here on this side. I will try to cut it pretty close to the front side here to get these nice looking 2 triangles next to each other with the shape of the nodule that's going on. But let's see what kind of surprise this one is going to hold inside. I was hoping for a little more orange and yellow, however it already changed the color on me a little bit and turned out more of this kind of orangey brown color. On top of that, it got a couple fractures and a little bit of quartz. This agate right here is the last piece of the batch of 3 and it has insane potential. Look at the colors, such an intense yellow and orange, and if it's not playing tricks on me and changes the color on me again like most of these condor agates do, then I think it can be a really good specimen. I can see it's got a couple fractures. This is the one that I'm worrying the most about, but I'll try to stay close to this area because that's where I see the good window, and hopefully keep all of this beautiful intense color inside. Fiery. This agate lost the yellow on me, but it kept the fire inside. Just such an intense orange color that it looks like it's burning the agate from inside out. Beautiful piece. It's got this little bit of a healed fracture, but I really can't complain about how it's turned out. So I'm pretty satisfied with this one. Argentina has been nice to me today. I am so stunned about how good the first agate turned out to be. I can't believe I had it lying around for close to 15 years and just today I cut it. And it's way better than I would have imagined it could turn out. I saw so many fractures and the quartz from the outside that it just blows my mind on how good it actually has been to me. Also the third one turned out to be a striking specimen, and this one will be polished, will end up on my website just as you're watching this video now. I hope you enjoyed watching me cut these rare agates from the Sierra Pintada location from San Rafael in Argentina. I think it's pretty clear which is the best one of today. I think not much to tell about that, but let me know if you've heard about this location before, because I know it's not really that much out there. And yeah, hope you enjoyed watching the video. Leave it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss any of my future content, and I'll see you in the next one, always on Friday.